Hello friend, in this tutorial I will show you how to make custom action bar in Dart. We can say that appbar. So let's see how to make appbar. Appbar. Background color, we can set the background color dot orange for example, and leading icon button कर लेते हैं. We can icon button because we customize this, so we can check the icon, which icon we can check. So icons dot back arrow intelligence is little big for this, so we can set the color also. Colors dot black. This we can set also on press function that will help to go previous activity is goes to call navigator by navigator dot of what of contact text dot context dot pop, right? So that's a work fine. And also we can little modify, so we can also define a title. In title we can define a text. That text is hello baby. And also you can center title is true. So let's see it's working fine or not. So I'm hot reloading. My emulator is already, so that is fine. Back go, yes, it's working fine. You can modify also, you can change a icon, you can change a text, you can use a drop down menu, everything you can to modify in a leading property, right? Thank you for watching. See you next time.